Manchester City forward Khadija Bunny Shaw makes a return to the Reggae Girls' 21-member squad as head coach Hubert Busby Jr. gets set to start qualification for the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup. Shaw last played for the Reggae Girls in late November and early December 2024 in back-to-back friendlies against South Africa.
We've been in touch with her and we've been in contact with her. I think what's important to remember, though, that is the way that we play. You know, it's about the profiles of the players that play within that position. I mean, obviously, Bunny is one of one. But, you know, the way that we want to play was always kind of with a little bit of her in mind in terms of our philosophy and what we want to do, what is expected from that position, in that number 9 position.
Coach Busby also believes that the squad is ready despite the circumstances.
We are prepared and eager to get going. You know, we had a really good camp about a month ago now in Trinidad through some, you know, very testing times with all that was going on. But the players' focus and the staff and the support around the team was very well. And or we had a very good camp, and I thought they did very well.
The Reggae Girls will face Dominica in their first CONCACAF World Cup qualifier in St. Lucia this Saturday. Football administrator Carvel Stewart believes that the appointment of Rudolph Speed as interim head coach of the Reggae Boys ahead of their intercontinental playoffs in March was the wrong move. The announcement was made on Friday following the resignation of Englishman Steve McLaren after the team's failure to gain automatic qualification to the 2026 edition of the FIFA World Cup.
We have failed in every attempt at youth qualification for any FIFA tournament. And we have now failed again to automatically qualify. And having done so, we have done so as both the chairman of the Technical and Development Committee and the technical advisor to the coach of the national team. So what is going to come better out of all that?
He also offered a solution.
Allow somebody else to start on a long-term contract to try to build from where we're going now and then build for the future.
Jamaica will play New Caledonia in the first round of the playoffs. There was more success for Jamaica at the North American Cup circuit in Whistler, Canada, with the 4-man bobsleigh team of Shane Pitter, Andre Dacres, Junior Harris, and former national 100-meter champion Taekwondo Tracy finishing third in their event on Sunday. The quartet sped to a combined time of 1 minute, 46.05 seconds to take the bronze medal behind winners Canada and second place Israel. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.